You're a little taller than I am. Yeah. So how old are you?
15.
15. Wow. Are you done? You're not done growing yet.
No.
Unbelievable. All right, guys. This is my friend Zach. Came over here to do a dish with me on the show. Now, you've watched the show before?
Yes, many times.
How long have you been watching?
Almost a year.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. So I'm friends with his grandfather, and the dude's awesome. And then we found out that you had an interest in cooking.
Yeah.
How long have you been cooking?
Ever since I was little, I'd say about 7, I really wanted to make some stuff, and then I just did it.
And this is all your making?
Yes, sir.
So you put this together yourself?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. All right. So I'm going to turn, as I always do to my guests, I'm going to be behind the cameras. I'll turn it over to you. You good with that?
All right, yes, sir.
And then we're going to make something wonderfully delicious. And you are allowed to call me Jack and not yes, sir anymore, because this is just a family setting, okay?
All right, Jack.
All right, guys, you ready? Come on in close. He's going to show you. Zach will be taking over and show you exactly what he's doing.
Okay, let me show you guys what we got. So we're going to be making some curry. So we got some carrots over here, some potatoes, some bamboo shoots, some Thai brand coconut milk, a golden curry block, an onion, some ginger, some chicken breast, some chicken stock, cinnamon stick, garlic, jalapeños, serrano peppers, and a bell pepper. All right, so the first step you want to do is you want to get some chicken stock and some water boiling, and then you want to cut your potatoes and carrots into some big chunks, and then place them in. So now we're gonna saute some serrano peppers, some jalapeños, the onions, the bell peppers, the garlic, and the ginger. All right, so now we're just gonna crack some pepper over this, and then a little bit of salt. I love the smell of the vegetable sauteing. So we just need to sweat them, get them a little bit of brown kinda for about 7 or 8 minutes. All right, so next we're gonna add our Thai coconut milk right into these vegetables. And then we're gonna stir that around. All right, so now we're gonna turn this down just a little bit. Now we're gonna get 2 of our cinnamon sticks, and we're just gonna drop them right in. And then also 1 of our little curry bricks. Right in. All right, so once it's been on here for about 3 minutes, you're gonna take your chicken stock and just pour a little bit in there. And that's good. That was about 3/4 of a cup. And once again, you're going to add another little brick of this curry stuff. And just look how beautiful that is. All right, so once it gets about 3 more minutes after you've added the next curry brick and a little bit of the chicken stock, you're gonna drain your can of the bamboo shoots, and you're gonna add that in. The whole can. Don't want any of this to get out. It's a great, nice, earthy flavor it gives. Now you're just gonna stir it around like this for about another 3 minutes, and then we're gonna add it to that, and then cook our chicken in the same pan. Don't wash it, you want all that flavor to stay there. All right, so once it starts bubbling again, it may be less than 3 minutes. You just wanna take this, you just wanna add it straight in. All right, so now we're gonna cube up our chicken and just add it straight into this pan. So next we're just going to take some salt and pepper like we did with the vegetables. Just crack a little bit on that. A bit more than we did while we were sauteing the vegetables. Especially a bit more pepper. Oh, and by the way, I might have forgotten to warn Jack that this is going to be really spicy with those 2 serranos.
What?
All right, we don't want to cook this all the way through because we are going to boil it a bit more in our broth. We're just pretty much going to sear the outside of this. All right, so now we're going to add our chicken. All right, so now we're just gonna stir this and kick the heat up a little bit and let it simmer for about 8-10 minutes. Also in these last 8 to 10 minutes, you wanna take your 3rd curry brick and place it right in there and just let that simmer. So when you're done, you wanna remove those 2 cinnamon sticks and you just wanna plate it up. Now that is Zach's Kickbutt curry.
I am so impressed with you.
Thank you.
That if you ever do a channel, let me know and I'll be a part of it. I'll help you in any way. Guys, he was so comfortable. I just Can't wait to try this. Are we going to dive in right now?
Yeah, let's just do it.
All right. Try and get a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
It's almost impossible. Oh,
It's
man.
really good. Get that heat?
Oh, yeah. I got the heat. Oh, wow. You like it hot, don't you?
Yeah, I do. That's nothing. I could add about a whole bottle of Tabasco to that.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, my gosh. The chicken is so good.
The chicken is really good. I don't get
So good. It's, you know I like pho. This is just as good, just as comforting. It's a total comfort food. Oh, and you brown the chicken perfectly. Okay, so I know you got more ideas than you. Would you ever come back to the show and join me again?
every time.
All right.
Anytime.
If you guys want to see more of Zach's recipes, he made this up himself, okay? Just put it down in the comments below. Zach, I can't thank you enough, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Guys, I'll see you on the next episode. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.